here in Michigan. It seems like there is a lizard.
It's a blizzard.
A blizzard. I forgot. I don't know. Guys, the wind is blowing so hard. Mom, can I show them something? I'm gonna show them very cool. So deep. Can I show them something? I want to show them and tell them something. It's so deep. Can I show them something? Come on, guys, I'm gonna show you something. I hope Louise watch my channel. Look, this is one of the slides I created. I put sticks on the side so you won't move out of the way. And also, I put this here for a stop. Oh, that was... Whoa, look, Mom. It was hard to get. And watch this once I throw it into the air. Let me try and do it.
Alright!
I'm so sorry. Wait, let me try again. No, I can't do it. Let me try again. Maybe
I'm
it's
so
too
cold.
windy. I feel like it's too windy. Let me try again. Wait. Ooh. See?
It's...
Look what happens when you throw it. Every time, look.
Oh, the boot. I mean, the
Did
snow
they
is...
show them? Show them again.
I did.
Watch this again. Because that is so deep. The plants are covered. See? Then try again. Watch this. Watch how high I can go. Watch. Good. I think I can get stuck on the top of that tree.
Oh.
That is so high.
Wow, look, you can't see anything over there anymore.
Yeah, can I try and throw and see where?
Whoa.
Oh, whoa, look!
Wow, it's very deep over there, babe.
I can't get it.
Ah, I'm cold. Come on, let's get in.
I can't get it. No, wait, I want to... Okay, guys, so this is my fur over there. Let me go show you.
Just wait, I'm gonna show them the chickens. Hi, chica.
Let me
Hey.
go show you.
Oh, God, it's cold.
I know, here's one.
Oh.
Look at all that deer.
Dear what?
Oh, slippery. And that is so slippery to fly. Whoa. Oh, Jesus. This one is crazy.
Babe, we gotta get in, babe. Come on, it's gonna get dark here too.
I have two shortcuts. Let me show you.
No, we can't go there. See, you can't see anything. You can't see anything over there anymore. Come on, it's...
Everything is just...
My hands are getting so cold. Oh, God, it's cold.
Why didn't you use a lot of things so you'll get warmer?
Because I can't touch the phone if I got gloves on.
Watch this. No, wait, watch. Watch what happens once I lay down, watch.
Okay.
Whoa!
Make a snow angel.
Wait, Mom.
What?
Do you know what's so cool?
What? I'm
I just
cold.
made it in here, but it's just completely gone. Can I make a snow angel?
Okay.
Watch. Watch. That's what Louise showed me.
What?
Look, it looks like an angel.
Yeah, I know. I can see from here. Babe.
See those goggles? No, wait. What else? Oh, wait, come on. Let me show you something.
God, it's cold, babe.
No, that snow is very cold, so no.
Over there's very deep.
That's what I like to do, look. Watch this.
Oh, God, it's cold.
No, hey, look. Look at that. Let me show you another thing. Look how deep this is. Look.
Agoy, ginoo ko.
See, it's even very thick.
What?
No, watch this and watch this. I could probably we do it
Hey, 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 no, you don't do backflips and stuff.
Let's do backwards. I want to do it this way. This is the funnest. Watch, I'm a big one.
No, ginawa ko.
I'm going to get hit my head. Before I threw it so high that it almost got stuck on the top of that tree. It almost did, but
So
it
cold.
got stuck on the tree, but not on the top. Almost on the top, I mean.
Babe, I'm so cold. Come on.
Okay. This is the slide part,
What?
and this is the stair part.
What?
Oh,
Wait,
where's my frisbee?
baby.
Bye, guys. But it was a short video.
It's okay.
And make sure you thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell button and
Oh!
jump into the button and kick the bell button and smash the bell button and
Bye. Okay.
jump on the bell button and
Bye-bye.
and we'll see you on my next crew, which is the dogs. You never seen the videos. Actually, you do. The dog videos.